Welcome, Cosmic Seekers. As we embark on this deep astrological journey, we're diving into one of the most significant planetary transits of 2025, Venus in Pisces, its exalted home. This is no ordinary movement. It's a celestial blessing that will influence love, wealth, creativity, and spiritual connections for every zodiac sign. Before we jump into the detailed predictions, let's first understand the essence of Venus, its role in astrology, and what happens when it reaches its exalted or debilitated state. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, luxury, wealth, art, pleasure, and harmony. It governs our relationships, values, desires, and creative expression. In a birth chart, Venus shows how we love, what brings us happiness, and what we seek in pleasure and companionship. Venus also rules Taurus and Libra, two signs that represent earthly stability and balanced relationships, making it a planet of both sensual indulgence and refined elegance. In love and relationships, Venus governs romance, attraction, passion, and commitment. In wealth and luxury, it represents material success, financial stability, and comforts. In creativity and art, it controls artistic talents, music, beauty, and aesthetic sense. In social and personal life, it shapes how we interact, our charm, and our sense of diplomacy. Now that we've understood what Venus represents, let's see how its position in a sign can either amplify or diminish its power. Just like a person thrives in the right environment and struggles in the wrong one, planets have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on the sign they're placed in. Venus finds its highest strength in Pisces, where it is exalted. This means Venus expresses its purest, most divine, and limitless form in this sign. Pisces, ruled by Jupiter and Neptune, is a mystical, imaginative, and deeply spiritual sign. When Venus is in Pisces, its energies manifest in the most romantic, selfless, and artistic way possible. Venus in exaltation gives unconditional love, heightened creativity, spiritual and emotional fulfillment, financial abundance, deep empathy and kindness, and magnetic attraction. People with Venus in Pisces are natural romantics, artistic souls, and deeply intuitive lovers. They see love as divine and boundless, making them selfless givers in relationships. But too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to illusion and escapism. Exalted Venus can also make people overly idealistic in love, prone to romantic fantasies, and sometimes too forgiving, even in toxic relationships. On the opposite end, Venus struggles the most in Virgo, where it is debilitated. Virgo is a practical, analytical, and perfectionist sign ruled by Mercury, which clashes with Venus's need for beauty and pleasure. Venus in debilitation faces lack of romantic imagination, struggles in wealth and luxury, harsh self-criticism, difficulty in expressing affection, and love becomes practical, not passionate. People with Venus in Virgo tend to overanalyze relationships, look for flaws rather than emotions, and struggle with letting go and enjoying romance. They may be great partners in terms of loyalty and service, but their perfectionism can sometimes drain the beauty of love. Venus is one of the most powerful planets when it comes to shaping our happiness, relationships, and luxuries. Whether exalted or debilitated, its influence plays a massive role in our personal and financial lives. Now that we understand what Venus represents and how it behaves in different signs, we're ready to explore its 2025 transit in Pisces and how it will affect each zodiac sign individually. Aries, get ready because Venus is making a powerful shift in your 12th house, and this is going to bring major transformations in your life. Venus is exalted here, which means there's huge potential for gains, spiritual growth, and deep emotional healing, but with a twist. Venus will go retrograde from March 2nd, 2025. So we need to be smart about navigating this phase. Let's break it down. Venus in the 12th house often indicates hidden sources of income, foreign earnings, or gains from behind the scenes work. If you're involved in import export, freelancing, or creative work, this could be a golden period for you. But Venus retrograde might bring unexpected expenses, so be mindful of impulsive spending. Jupiter in your second house, going direct on February 5th, 2025, will bring financial stability and opportunities to grow wealth steadily. Save more, spend wisely, and avoid risky financial decisions during Venus retrograde. If you've been waiting for money stuck somewhere, you may get it after Venus goes direct in April. Venus in the 12th house favors careers in creativity, spirituality, international business, and social work. If you're in film, music, fashion, designing, or healing professions, this is your time to shine. Venus retrograde might bring delays in promotions, job offers, or business growth, but do not lose hope. This is a time to reevaluate and improve your professional strategies. Sun and Mercury in your 10th house indicate that your professional reputation is growing, but patience is key. Use this time to upgrade your skills and revisit old projects. If you're thinking of switching jobs, wait until Venus turns direct. Business owners should focus on restructuring plans instead of launching new ventures. Jupiter in Taurus will support long term investments. However, Venus retrograde warns against risky stock market moves or impulsive investments. If you're involved in cryptocurrency, stocks, or speculative markets, take a more strategic approach. Long term investments are good, but avoid short term risk. If you must invest, consult an expert and move cautiously. Venus in Pisces deepens emotional bonds, making it a great time for spiritual and soulful connections. If you're single, you might reconnect with an old love, but don't rush into commitments during retrograde. For married Aries, this transit could bring emotional healing, but also reveal unresolved issues. So have open conversations. After April 13, 2025, Venus in direct motion will bring clarity and strengthen love life. Be patient if past relationship issues come up and avoid making major relationship decisions until Venus is direct. This is a great time for businesses related to art, beauty, film, music, spirituality, or international trade. It is not ideal to start a new business during Venus retrograde, but a good time to plan, strategize, and improve existing work. Rework business models and refine your strategies. Wait until Venus is direct before launching new ventures. Aries. This period is about reflection, not frustration. Venus in Pisces asks you to slow down, reassess, and heal before moving forward. Things will fall into place after April, so trust the process. Do not ignore your intuition. Your subconscious is speaking to you during this transit. Here are some remedies for you. Venus is in your 12th house, so wear light blue, white, or pastel shades to enhance Venus's positive effects. Donate perfumes, artistic tools, or beauty products to strengthen Venus's blessings. Jupiter is in your second house, so wear yellow or donate food to religious places for financial stability and wisdom. Mars is in your third and fourth house, so wear red or donate red lentils to control aggression and improve communication. Saturn is in your 11th and 12th house, so wear dark blue or black and donate footwear or oil to the needy to reduce obstacles in networking and friendships. Mercury is in your 10th and 12th house, so wear green and donate books or stationery to enhance career growth and clarity in decision making. Ketu is in your 6th house, so keep a silver coin with you and donate white or grey items to minimize health related concerns. Rahu is in your 12th house, so avoid overindulgence, donate dark colored clothes, and keep a silver ornament or metal near you for stability. Venus in Pisces is a powerful time for Aries. It will reveal hidden blessings, help in self discovery, and push you towards your higher purpose. Stay patient, plan wisely, and trust that everything is aligning in your favor. The stars don't control your destiny, they guide it. Your actions define your path. That's all for today's deep dive into Venus Transit 2025 in Pisces. We've uncovered the mysteries of Venus's exalted and debilitated states and how they shape our love, wealth, and destiny. But this is just the beginning. Stay with us as we decode the impact of this powerful transit on each zodiac sign one by one. At Sitaro Ka Safar, our mission is to guide you through the cosmic energies shaping your life. If you're facing any personal challenges related to love, career, health, or finances, you can book a personal consultation with astrologer N. Baksh. For appointments, contact via the WhatsApp number on your screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, share with friends and family who love astrology, and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on your astrological journey. The stars have much more to reveal, so stay connected. We will meet in the next video.